Welcome everyone. This is Bōde's Edmonton real estate market update for September 2021. This video is going to quickly show you what's happening in Edmonton at a macro level, and then I'm going to show you where you can find all the data for your specific property type and community so you can see exactly what's happening with the real estate market where you live. So let's dive in. First, we're going to take a look at all residential listings in the greater Edmonton area. So the number of new listings that have come to market each month for the last 3.5 years. So this tells us how much new supply is coming onto the market. So you can see this bright blue line here is the line for 2021. And to date, new listings has been up almost every month so far this year. And it was the same in August. So new listings were up 5% versus the average of the last 3 years. So more listings are coming to market at the moment. But on the flip side, there's far more sales than there would typically be for each month. So sales in August were up 20% versus the average of the last 3 years. But you can see that's starting to come down. Earlier in the spring and summer, the sales numbers were up massively over previous years. So that's starting to come back down now towards a more normal year while still being significantly up on average. And then if we take a look at overall inventory, so the total number of homes for sale in the Edmonton area, total inventory is down 14%, and that's because there's been fewer new listings relative to the number of sales that there's been. So there's fewer homes on the market right now, which is helping sellers and helping create a seller's market. So in terms of months of supply, so this is trying to take a look at supply and demand at the same time to say, given how fast homes are selling and given how many homes are currently for sale, how long would it take to sell through all the homes that are currently up for sale? And in Edmonton, overall right now, it's just under 4 months of supply. So it would take about 4 months to sell through all the homes that are currently available for sale at the current rate of sale. So generally, the lower the months of supply, the more favorable it is for sellers. And the higher the months of supply, the more favorable it is for buyers. So you can see at the moment here in 2021, it's one of the most favorable times in the last few years for sellers. So homes are selling reasonably quickly and there's not that much competition because, as we said, there's fewer homes listed for sale right now. So what's happening with prices then? So if we take a look at prices over the last 15, 16 years or so, we see that obviously there was a big peak here, 2007, 2008, and again in 2014, 15. Prices have been going down for quite some time, but in 2021, they've gone up quite quickly, and they're back to 2014, 2015 levels overall. But you can see here in recent months, it started to level off a little bit. Had been going up quite quickly, starting to level off a bit now. But this differs massively depending on whether you're looking at detached homes, apartments, or attached homes. And as you can imagine, a lot of this price increase has been driven by detached homes. For apartments, prices haven't been going up like this at all. So you can take a look at those differences in our full market report blog. Or even better, you can go to our website and get access to all of the data you need and look at this data for your specific community. So we've got 3 tools. The first one's called market data, and here you can see what's on the market and what's sold by community. So how many active listings, how many homes have sold in the last month, 3 months, whatever time frame you like. So that helps you understand the supply and demand dynamics in your area. Second tool we have is called sold data. So here you can see the sold price for any home that's sold in the last 12 years in all of Alberta. So you can find out what homes similar to yours are selling for. And then finally, we've got a comparables tool where you can enter the 8 most important features of your home and see the most similar live listings and the most similar recently sold listings. So you can see both your current competition, what homes are like yours are currently listed for, and also what recently sold homes like yours have sold for. So check all of that out at bode.ca, and we'll see you at our next market report next month.